Hello, welcome to another project update. So today I created a mock-up of the volume or of the audio settings menu. So, as you can see here, it's pretty self-explanatory. So you have, I guess I guess you might need a little bit of an explanation, but not really. Most of it's is self-explanatory. But yeah, so you have the main settings label up here, and then this is actually a tab system. The engine has a whole system for different kinds of tabs, and currently there's only one tab, so I can't really prove that there's a tab system. Actually, I can. I'll just create some extra, just some, just some empty containers here. Let's see, panel container. Okay, there we go. There we go. So my plan is to have, let's get rid of this, not necessary. Yeah, so anyways, my plan is to have different tabs for different kinds of settings. So you have audio settings, and then I'm assuming you'll have, well, presumably you'll have like probably video settings, and then maybe some general gameplay settings that I could set up, like maybe a an option for different types of Z targeting. But for now, I'm just going to do audio settings because audio is kind of a thing that I'm focusing on at the moment. Delete these because we don't need them. So yeah, I created this corresponding to this here. The names aren't exactly the same, but the general idea is correct. If you're wondering why I have footsteps and SFX, which is short for sound effects, well, that's because sometimes you want to be able to adjust those independently, even if a footstep is technically a type of sound effect, right? Like some people get annoyed by loud footsteps and they just want to, but they still want to be able to hear other sound effects. That was my thinking behind that. So currently it is not functional at all. It is literally just just a graphical user interface that doesn't do anything. Um, I'm not even sure if it's even gonna work if I run it. Like it might just crash. Okay. There's something there. Okay, I can move these around. But yeah, like I said, they don't do anything. Of course, I can use the arrow keys and stuff. And my plan is so for these slots on the right, my plan is that I'm going to make them. I'm I'm not sure if I'm going to make them read only and just kind of display whatever values over here, or if I'm going to have it set up as like this is an alternative way of manipulating this. Like say you want to set to exactly when this to exactly like 50, this exactly to exactly 60%, 50%, and just type it and just be able to like type it out. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'll figure it out later. But my original plan, which I may end up going with anyways, is to have this be read only and display whatever the slider is set to. That's my plan right now. So yeah, I think that next time I work on this project, I will work on getting this hooked up to the in-game audio system and also the and also the save the settings the audio data thing that I created yesterday. So currently, the way that in yesterday's video, actually it wasn't yesterday, it was the day before, I think. Yeah, in last video, I created a system where I could open this JSON file and manipulate this, and I think it's a little bit flawed. I think that I should make this a linear value instead of a logarithmic value like the engine uses. Make it make it a little bit more user friendly. But yeah, so that's the plan. Anyways, I'll see you next time, or see you next video. Goodbye.